Having NPM on your computer is pretty much essential in today's web dev environment. So I'm going to show you a simple way of installing NPM. It comes packaged with Node.js, so even if you're not a backend developer, you should have Node.js. I've got an uninstalled Node on my system, so we can check that by going node v, no command found, npm v, no command found. So there's another way you can do this if you're on a Mac. You can use brew, but I'm going to keep things simple and just do it the old school way and download it and install it. The same thing, you can do the same thing with Windows, except you'll need to configure the environment variable path. But check another tutorial for that. It's not very difficult. It's something which only takes a few seconds, but on Mac it's as simple as installing. It'll ask you a few basic questions. It's installed, closed. Do you want to move the installer to trash? Why not? And let's see. So now we check npm v, we have 6.4.1, and we've even got Node on our computer. So it's that easy. Thanks for watching and see you next time.